So I'm coming in here now, removing these brake lines and gas lines. So it's kind of funny because the gas lines and the brake lines, the gas lines stop here with a rubber hose right in the middle. That's kind of weird. I didn't know that's the way they was, so I had to call Buick Bob and ask him, was that correct? He said yes, that's the way they are. So with that, I'm just going to come and remove all of these. Alright, seeing that these lines, they look really, really good, guys. So I went in and brought some lines because I didn't realize that these was that good, because you just never know, like in these areas where you can't see, sometime they look good in places and other places they don't. So I didn't want to take chances, and I like to have everything ready when I'm ready to do a car. That's what's taking me so long with certain projects, is that, you know, whenever I'm doing something, you get stuck. I be in a groove and you get stuck and can't finish, you know, what you're doing. It throws me off. So I got all the new lines, but these lines are good. I keep them, clean them up. I'll probably reuse these. I'm not sure, because the thing is, guys, with this 70 Wildcat, let me show you here. With the parts car, it's got this extra piece right here, and I don't know if that makes a difference. I don't know if that's like a proportioning valve, and I believe that's what it is. And I don't even want to heat this up. I'm not even going to take this loose, guys, because this line looks good. All of this looks good. I'm going to just clean this up. It's got like, it separates or something. It's got a gasket, a seal, something right in the middle there. Anybody know what that is, let me know. But I'm going to keep this all in one piece because this car had disc brakes on it. So I don't know if that piece is something they just put on here, or is that factory, guys? I really don't know. If you let me know, I appreciate it. I like for guys to comment if you watch the videos. Let me know what's going on, guys. I don't know everything, but that's how I learn. You know, you learn by listening and asking questions, guys. So if you know what that is, let me know. So hey, guys. That's kind of scary. This car, haven't had a gas tank on it in about a month and a half now. So that's kind of scary that you cut those fuel lines and I still got gas in there, guys. I don't like playing with gas at all, but yeah, that's something there. That gas still in that line, in those lines there, guys. I thought it would have evaporated, honestly. I thought it would have evaporated out by now, but still got gas in the lines, guys. All right. Alright guys, so I'm coming here, I'm going to redo this frame. I'll be taking all of these off, I'm going to be plating them. But I just wanted to come in and show you. So I'm going to clean this frame up. I'm not really going to show a lot of it on film. But you see a lot of these burrs. You know, it's just from welding. You know, burrs there. Just a lot of burrs, guys. Like a big one here. Burrs there. You know, just welds. You know, it's a few like studs sticking up here and there. And I don't know, I just like cleaning this stuff up, guys. You really won't see it, but it's gonna make the paint lay down flatter and everything by me cleaning all of this up in these areas. Because paint don't really gather around, you know, that stuff that well flat surfaces is better. So I'll be coming in cleaning up a lot of these burrs, guys. And you know, even from the factory, like here you got some burrs, and I'm gonna be painting this frame. You know, you got a burr there. Some places I've seen, like from the factory, see that sticking out there? That's just a weld burr that was left on there. You know, that piece just broke off there. Just burrs. Alright, so guys, hey, first off, this is what I'm going to use to grind this, to grind these nubbits off of here. Either this or a small, you know, angle grinder cutting wheel, the air tool, but this is just one of them that I use here, guys. And this tool is good for like cutting off quarter panels or whatever else. So I always use a shield, guys, a mask. Alright guys, so I don't consider myself a perfectionist. I just like trying to do things right, guys. So you see, this is 50-something years of dirt and dust just collecting in these areas. And I just like coming in here and getting all of this out of here. And it's a lot of rocks. Look at that. A lot of rocks and stuff just stuck in here, dirt and grime. I come in and I'm going to take the air gun off. Look at that. Just all kind of stuff coming out of here. So off air, I'm going to blow in here with the air gun, get in here real good. Take some water, get in here. Get all of this clean out. I'll do both sides like that, guys. Alright guys, so I most definitely got the face shield on here. Like I said, I just want to get in here. Get this really blew out. Now I come in there. It looks pretty clean in there now. Now I come in with some, look at that, stuff still popping out. Come in there with some brake cleaner, get that all clean out. Then all of this, I'm about ready to pour 15 this frame now, guys. All right, guys, so I got my mask on. I'm gonna come in now, and I'm gonna spray this all down real good with brake cleaner. Alright, so I'm coming in now, guys, and what I'm doing, I'm sanding this frame down. I'm out of 80 grit, but 120 would be good enough. Honestly, the rougher the surface is, guys, with the pour 15, the better. So, you know, you could paint this frame just like this, and that pour 15, you know, to me, when you do it that way, you don't really even have to add an etching, you know, like a metal treatment. But when you smoothen it out a little bit, this frame is so good that I want to get it as smooth as I can. So I'm actually coming in and just sanding it down with 120. Then I etch it and then pour 15 it, guys.